let us check what we will get when we run our program. Yeah, first of all, we have to enter the selling price. Suppose here is 500 Rwandan francs and like 300 Rwandan francs as cost price. As you see here, we'll get 200 Rwandan francs as our profit. You see, because our selling price here is greater than cost price. And what we will get when we enter the selling price, which is equal to cost price. You see, neither profit nor loss. In this case, our selling price will be equal to cost price. Yeah, and also when we enter amount like selling price, which is equal to 500 Rwandan francs, and cost, which is equal to like 700 Rwandan francs. In this case, we'll get loss. Right now, our loss is 200 Rwandan francs. Right. What's up, everybody? I will be welcoming you back to my channel. So, before starting today's lesson, let me ask you the following questions. Have you still struggled with if-else control statement? What about if there is a control statement? And then, do you remember how to use if-else radar in C++ program? So reflect to these questions before starting today's lesson. Yeah, in this video, we are going to reflect about those 3 control statements in selection type. Yeah, selection control statements. We are going to write the C++ program of checking whether either the entrepreneur or business in general get profit, loss, or no profit, no loss. Where entrepreneur gets the price, selling price, which is equal to cost price. So without delaying, let us jump into our today's business. Yeah. First of all, as usual, we have to make a declaration of our variables. Now we are going to deal with around 4 variables, which are selling price, cost price, profit and loss, like this, right? Yeah. Now, first of all, we have to get this selling price and cost price in order to calculate profit and loss, right? So that's why we're going to write out enter the selling price. We need the selling price, then end line. And also here we have to read that price by using this statement. And then to get cost price, I can copy this statement and paste them here and change for the main information. Enter the cost price, like this. Also here is cost price as our variables, right? Then now after get selling price and cost price, we can now check whether our business get profit or loss. And remember that if you get a selling price which is greater to cost price, in that case you will get a profit, right, for certain amount. If our selling price is greater than cost price, now means that we get a profit. That's why here we have to calculate the profit, which is equal to selling price minus cost price, right? Then after calculate this profit, you can now display our profit, amount of profit we get, right? Yeah, so out the profit is like this, then enter the profit here, maybe Rwandan francs, right? Rwandan francs like this, then end line. Yeah, this is our profit when our selling price is greater than cost price. But think about when selling price is equal to cost price. In that case, we say that our business is no longer get profit or loss. Yeah, if it is if, because when we use if, it is rather we use more than one if. That's why we have to use it is if. It is if our selling price is equal to cost price, right? In this case, we say that there is no profit nor loss. So neither profit nor loss, like this. Then and then here is where we say that business is in equilibrium price, right? In economy or this point. Yeah, then here or break even point when selling price is equal to cost price. All of these terms are used in entrepreneur, right? Then here else means that our selling price is less than cost price. That's why here we have to calculate a roast. Yeah, here roast will be equal to cost price minus selling price, because in this case our selling price will be less than cost price. Then we have to display how much we lost by using out. The loss is then here we put here loss, and we can say that in Rwandan francs term, in term of Rwandan francs, then end line like this, right? So after this, we can now make comparison of our program to check whether there is any error or not, and you can call it price like this, then save it and make compilation. You see there is no error. Let us check what we will get when we run our program. Yeah, first of all, you have to enter the selling price. Suppose here is 500 Rwandan francs and like 300 Rwandan francs as cost price. As you see here, we will get 200 Rwandan francs as our profit. You see, because our selling price here is greater than cost price. And what we will get when we enter the selling price, which is equal to cost price. You see, neither profit nor loss. In this case, our selling price will be equal to cost price. Yeah, and also when we enter amount like selling price, which is equal to 500 Rwandan francs, and cost, which is equal to like 700 Rwandan francs. In this case, we'll get loss. Right? Now our loss is 200 Rwandan francs. Right? So this is our simple program to check whether the business or entrepreneur in general gets either profit, loss, or neither profit nor loss. So if you are new here, please don't forget to make subscribe this channel, to share this video if it's helpful for you, and also to give us your point of view in the comment section. So let me hope that I will see you in next video.